top-rated color combinations for your home exterior. Your home's exterior color is the first thing people notice when they drive by or visit your house. When it comes to selecting colors for your home's exterior, you want to choose a combination that stands out and makes a statement. In this blog, we will provide the top-rated color combinations for your home exterior so you can make a lasting impression on everyone who visits. The right shade of white. White is one of the most timeless colors when it comes to painting your home's exterior. But did you know that there are over 50 shades of white? Choosing just one shade can be daunting, but don't worry, we have done the hard work for you. Our favorite shades of white include Sherwin-Williams' Snowbound, Benjamin Moore's White Dove, and PPG Paint's Natural Wicker. These three shades create an inviting atmosphere while still offering a classic look that won't go out of style anytime soon. Neutrals and earth tones. Neutral and earth tones are also popular choices when it comes to choosing colors for your home's exterior. These colors come in many different shades, from light beiges to deep browns. The best part about these tones is that they look great when paired together. Try combining Sherwin-Williams' balanced beige with Benjamin Moore's Sugarcane or PPG Paint's Chocolate Milk with their dusty trail paint colors for an eye-catching two-tone combination that stands out from the rest. Bold colors. If you're looking to make a bold statement with your home's exterior, then consider using brighter colors such as blues and greens. Popular combinations include pairing Sherwin-Williams' Blueberry Muffin with Benjamin Moore's Snapdragon or PPG Paint's Blueberry Jam with their Lime Ricky paint colors, both of which create an energizing atmosphere that will draw attention from passers-by. If you're looking to make a lasting impression with your home's exterior, then consider using our top-rated color combinations listed above. From classic whites to bold blues and greens, these colors will help you create an inviting atmosphere while still making a statement with passers-by, so why not give them a try? With our tips and tricks in mind, you'll be sure to find the perfect combination for your home in no time. Thanks for watching.